In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide apps on Poco C75. Search here, security, open the security app. Now simply scroll down. Here you can see in the privacy protection, hide apps option is showing. Now simply tap on it. From here, you can select the app you want to hide. For example, I want to hide Facebook, so I will simply tap on this toggle. Tap on got it. Now let's see if Facebook is hidden or not. Let's search Facebook here. As you can see, Facebook is not showing in my mobile. Now let's unhide Facebook. Now let's check it out. As you can see, now Facebook is showing. So this is how you can hide app on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.